Risk management is the proactive part of the management system. We establish a management system so we can ensure that activities are planned, adequately controlled, and continually improved. If we go as far as determining uncertainties and their potential positive or negative effects, then we go into what we call opportunities identification and risk-based thinking. In doing so, if we decide on using international standards as references, these standards usually describe the requirements, but they don't prescribe tools. So it will be up to us to choose the tools. In risk management, it is probably better to choose a less complicated tool, especially if the process owners are new to the activity. For example, if the process owners find it hard to conduct the risk assessment on a quantitative approach, then probably you can use the qualitative risk assessment approach. Some process owners can identify the risks and can assess the risk significance, but some of them do not usually consistently evaluate the effectiveness of actions to address the risk, especially if it is left out on the tool. Also, some process owners identify issues rather than uncertainties that can affect objective, meaning they identify issues rather than the risks. So the suggestion is why not choose simpler tools such as this one, the PARSINOR, wherein the process mapping, the context analysis, and the risk management are all in one document. That way, there will not be any redundancy, like the risks will really not overlap with the issues, and that there are no activities that will be left out. If you are trying to check your conformance to ISO 9001:2015 requirement, the requirement is really just risk-based thinking and not a full swing risk management. But most organizations find it value adding to do the complete cycle of plan, do, check, act in the risk-based thinking. So you can come up with your risk management procedure really. You can identify the risks, assess the risk significance so that your actions will be proportional to the impact of the risk, and more importantly, evaluate the effectiveness of actions to address risks and report the results of this evaluation in the management review. So every when do we revisit the risk management document? Well, we recommend that you make it a dynamic document, and so you can review it as often as needed. Having a simple tool is one, but to really come up with the departmental risk management is another. And of course, seeing through the, the risk management activities from conception to implementation to evaluation of effectiveness is yet another. And so if you need one-on-one coaching, please don't hesitate to connect with us. Thank you.